Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. Hello, Claire at French in the Midlands here. This video is about having fun with opposites, how to say something and everything versus nothing and anything, somebody versus nobody, somewhere versus nowhere. Let's take a look. First of all, let's have a look how to say something, everything, nothing and anything. So something is quelque chose, literally something. So if you say to someone, mais dis quelque chose, do say something, there it is. The way to say everything is tout. J'ai tout fini. I finished everything. And nothing or anything is rien. Il n'a rien fait. He didn't do anything. Basically, he did nothing, which is the same. Note when you use nothing or anything, when you use rien in French, you have to have the negative il n'a rien fait. Of course, when you speak, you can say il a rien fait, and it's fine. Next, we've got somebody, everybody, and nobody. So somebody is quelqu'un, literally, someone, quelqu'un. Il y a quelqu'un à la porte. Somebody's at the door. Or as we say in French, there is somebody at the door. Everybody is tout le monde. It's a bit strange, this one, because tout le monde literally means all the world, but that's how we say it. Tout le monde est parti, everybody's gone. Nobody or anybody is personne. That again is a bit strange, because une personne is a person, but personne without the une means no one. So if you want to say there's nobody here, you will say il n'y a personne ici. Grammatically speaking, you have to have the ne in there. When we speak, we skip it. So we'd say il y a personne ici, and it's fine. Finally, let's have a look at somewhere, everywhere versus nowhere. Somewhere is quelque part. It means some place, basically. Ils habitent quelque part par là. They live somewhere around here. Everywhere is partout. Imagine you go to the doctor and you say, Docteur, j'ai mal partout. Doc, I hurt everywhere. Nowhere or anywhere is nulle part. C'est une route qui mène nulle part. It's a road that leads nowhere. That's it for now. Well done for listening till the end. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Comment below if you have any questions. And I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt.